Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix Snapchat camera problem. For example, if your camera is not showing full screen or showing some kind of black portion on the above portion of the Snapchat camera, then how you can fix that. This kind of error occurs due to new update of the Snapchat. Now if you want to solve that error, what you have to do, you have to close the Snapchat. After that you have to look for the new update of the Snapchat, because many problems and glitches are solved by the updated version of the Snapchat. As I have updated the Snapchat and my problem has solved. After updating the Snapchat, you have to open the Snapchat and you have to check whether the problem has solved or not. If the problem is still there, what you have to do, you have to simply close the Snapchat and you have to download an older version of the Snapchat from the Chrome or any kind of browser you have. So you have to simply search for Snapchat older version. If you search for Snapchat older version, you will find many older version of the Snapchat, and you can simply download one of the oldest versions so that this kind of error will not occur on your mobile. But the simple method is as that you have to update your Snapchat, because this error has been fixed by many times by the updated version of the Snapchat. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.